Hi everyone, welcome to another edition of Natural Recipes. This spicy cilantro shrimp is delicious and really easy to make. All you need is shrimp, cilantro chutney, tequila, yes I said tequila, pasta, feta cheese, and tomatoes. So in a baking tray, just put in your 2 cups of tomatoes with salt and pepper and olive oil, and then turn on the oven to roast them at 400 degrees for 10 minutes. I usually put on my pasta at the same time as I put my tomatoes in the oven. While that's happening, just cut up your shrimp and feta and some olive oil in a pan. You're going to add that shrimp right into that pan, and once it just starts to cook slightly, pour in that shot of tequila. The alcohol burns off, so it'll end up like a nice syrup. And remember, shrimp cooks really fast, so just toss it up a bit, add in that cilantro chutney, and you've almost cooked your shrimp right through. So just mix it up and turn off the heat, and then we're going to look back into our oven. And as you can see, I added a jalapeno. This is the part that's the spicy or not part. So if you want to spice up your cilantro shrimp, just add that jalapeno in when you're roasting your tomatoes. Then when the tomatoes are ready, just add them to your shrimp pan and cut up your jalapeno and add that feta cheese, and you are ready to pour it all into that drained pasta. It's going to be so delicious. And I am telling you, this one will quickly become a family favorite. It is so quick and simple to make. And start to finish, it's only about 15 minutes, because when you have the tomatoes in the oven and you're boiling the pasta on the stove, you're really cooking the shrimp in the last 5 minutes, so it's super easy. And just as a little bonus tip, it goes amazing with Sauvignon Blanc. So give it a try, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Natural Crafts and Recipes, because I am going to be publishing a video on how to do incredible things with canned tuna that will wow even the pickiest of eaters.